Mastering reported requests from can to could. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English grammar. Our focus for this lesson is on the transformation of can to could within the context of reported requests. Don't worry, we're going to walk through this step by step, making sure you grasp this concept firmly. So, first things first, what are reported requests? Reported speech is when we tell someone else what another person said. And reported requests? Well, they are when we tell someone about a request that another person has made. Here's a simple example. Let's say your friend says, "Can you close the door?" If you want to tell this to another person, you wouldn't quote your friend verbatim. That would be direct speech. Instead, you'd say, "My friend asked if I could close the door." Notice the change from can to could. That's what we're going to dissect in this video. Now that you understand what reported requests are, let's delve into the meat of our topic, the shift from can to could. When we shift from direct to reported speech, the verb tense changes. This is known as backshift. In the context of requests, the modal verb can often changes to could. This is a general rule and helps to keep the reported speech in the past, reflecting that we're talking about something that was said in the past. Here's a general template for you to keep in mind. Direct request, can you, verb. Reported request, he, she asked if I could, verb, but remember, context matters. If the request is still relevant or the action is yet to be done, we can keep can. To master the change from can to could in reported requests, practice is key. Here are a few examples. 1. Direct. Can you help me with my homework? Reported. She asked if I could help her with her homework. 2. Direct. Can you pass the salt? Reported. He asked if I could pass the salt. 3. Direct. Can you play the guitar? Reported. She asked if I could play the guitar. Take time to practice this with your own examples. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. And there you have it. You've just learned how to report requests in English by changing can to could. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep creating your own sentences until this becomes second nature. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and keep up the good work on your English learning journey.